to our respected instructor in Civil Engineering Orientation, Sir Conrado Balinya, to my fellow classmates, and in behalf of Group 7, good day. Today, I will be talking to you about the subdiscipline of civil engineering, which is surveying engineering. What is surveying engineering? Surveying or land surveying is the technique, profession, art and science of determining terrestrial or three-dimensional possession of points and the distances and angles with them. A land surveying professional is called a land surveyor. Surveyor works with elements of geometry, regression analysis, physics, engineering, metrology, programming languages, and the law. What does a surveyor do? A surveyor is someone who establishes official land, air, space, and water boundaries. Surveyors works with civil engineers, landscape architects, and regional and urban planners to develop comprehensive design documents. They work outdoors in many terms of terrains, and they also work indoors to prepare legal documents and other reports. The International Federation of Surveyors defines the function of surveyors as follows. The surveyor is a professional person with an academic qualifications and technical expertise in one or more of the following activities. First is to determine, measure, and represent land, three-dimensional objects, point fields, and trajectories. Second is to assemble and interpret land and geographically related information. Third is to use that information for planning and efficient administration of the land and the sea, and any structures thereon. And lastly is to conduct research into the above practices and to develop them. We have two types of equipments in surveying engineering. First is hardware. The main surveying instruments in use around the world are theodolite, measuring tape, total station, 3D scanners, GPS, GNSS, level and rod. Most instruments screw onto a tripod within use. Tape measures are very often used for measurements on smaller distances. 3D scanners and various forms of aerial imagery is used also. Second is software. Land surveyors, construction professionals, and civil engineers using total station, GPS, 3D scanners, and other collector data use land surveying software to increase efficiency, accuracy, and productivity. Land surveying software is a staple of contemporary land surveying. Technique in surveying engineering. Surveyors determine the position of objects by measuring angles and distances. The factors that can affect the accuracy of their observations are also measured. Then they use this data to create vectors, bearings, coordinates, elevations, areas, volumes, plans, and maps. Measurements are often split into horizontal and vertical components to simplify calculations. GPS and astronomic instruments also need measurement of time component. A basic tenet of surveying is that no measurement is perfect, and that there will always be a small amount of errors. These are three classes of surveys: errors and accuracy. First is gross errors or blunders. Second is systematic. Third is random. The types of surveying engineering. Local organizations and regulatory bodies class specialization of surveying in different ways. Among others are as-built survey, cadastral or boundary surveying, control surveying, construction surveying, deformation survey, dimensional control survey, engineering surveying, foundation survey, hydrographic survey, and leveling. Plane and geodetic surveying. Based on the considerations and a true shape of the Earth, surveying is classified into two groups. Plane surveying assumes that Earth is flat, while geodetic surveying, the curvature of the Earth, is taken into account when calculating reduced levels, angles, bearings, and distances. That would be all. Thank you.